Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So we are at the last question of exercise 1.3 and from this chapter 1, knowing our numbers in NCERT. So let's solve this and finish the chapter, okay? So question number 3 states that estimate the following product using general rule. So even here in the similar manner what we did in the previous class, we have estimated and round up using the round of concept. So similarly what we are going to do here is we are going to multiply and find the estimate the following product. Okay, so product means we have to multiply, sum means plus, difference means minus, share means divide, and product means multiplication. Okay, so 570, first question I'm doing. Okay, 578 into 161. So what is the using the general rule, they have said, they didn't told us that using convert or round up into its nearest 100. So they have said general rule. So you may convert this into its nearest 100 value into its nearest tens value. Okay, so I would like to change it into the nearest 100 value. 500 or 600, which one will be the nearest one? So here to reach 500 you have to subtract with 78, and to reach 600 what you have to do, you have to add how much? You have to add 22. If you minus this 2, you will get 22, so you have to add 22. So of course which one is near? Of course 500 is not preferable, as because 78 step you have to move back, but moving 22 step forward you will get 600. So the nearest round up value of 578 will be 600. Similarly for 161, what we have, for 161 we can write it as 100 or 200. Okay, so to reach 200 what you have to reach 161 what you have to do, you have to subtract minus 61, and to reach 161 to 200 what you have to do, you have to just add 39. So 39 is moving forward 39 step, you are getting nearest 100 value, so it is 200. So the answer will be, when you multiply this, 6 into 2 is 12, and how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4, so it is 1 2 3 4. Yes, so where to put the 0? 1 0 should be here and 1 0 should be here. It is 1 lakh 20,000. 1 2 3 4. Yes. Okay, so this is how we find the estimated value of the given numbers. Okay, so this is I hope understandable to you all. Similarly, in part B we have 5281 into 3491. So as mentioned, it is a general rule, you can convert it into the nearest 1000 value or nearest 100 value. So here for 5281 I'll convert this value into the nearest 1000, and this one I'll convert it into the nearest tens value or 100 value. Okay, so I would like to change it to the nearest 100 value. Okay, so you may change it to its nearest 1000 also, so answer may vary, answer may different from one another. Okay, so 5000 it may be, as I am converting into the nearest as I am finding the nearest 1000 place value, 1000 rounding off into the nearest 1000, so or maybe 6000. So to get 5000 what you have to do, you have to subtract 281 for this case, and in this condition, and over here what you have to do, here I have to add how much? 790. So which one is bigger, this one or this one? Of course this one is bigger, so I'm not going to choose this, I'll be choosing 5000 here. Okay, similarly in the next part, that is for 3491 what we have, we can change 3000. I want to change this 3591 into its nearest 100 value, so it may be 3400 or it may be 3500. So add minus 91 you have to do here, but here just adding 9 you will get 3500. So multiplying with 3500 you will get 1,75 lakh. Okay, so this is how we do. So 1 2 3 4 5 0, like this. Okay, so how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5, that's why 50, and 35 into 5 is 175. So, or you may do one by one step how we used to doing multiplication in earlier class. Okay, so this is how we get the answer. I hope this is understandable. I have told you it is a general rule, so you can convert the number in the thousand nearest thousand by rounding off into the nearest thousand or nearest 100 value. Okay, so similarly in part C and D you will do in a similar manner, and this will be a home assignment. Okay, so see you in the next class with the next chapter. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.